Welcome to Alhaf channel. Hello, how are you guys? Today we have the best gaming PC for $4,000 or more. But before we begin, I hope you subscribe to the channel so we can reach 1,000 subscribers. This is our dream this year, so let's get started now. GPU: AMD Ryzen 7 9800X 3D. Price $479. Motherboard: Gigabyte X870E Aorus Pro Ice AM5. Price $349. GPU: NVIDIA RTX 5090. Price $2,000. RAM: G.Skill Trident Z5 RGB DDR5 2x16 GB DDR5 6402 kits. Price $209. Storage: Samsung 990 Pro 4TB. Price $318. Fractal Design North XL. Price $179. PSU: Corsair RM1000E. Price $169. Cooler Master Liquid PL360 Flux. Price $129. Total price $3,832. So here's where we're at. The best graphics card on the market, should you be able to get one, is the NVIDIA RTX 5090, which has an MSRP of $2,000. However, at press time, the only way to get one is via a scalper, either on eBay or elsewhere. So we're putting the RTX 5090 down as our card for the ultimate build, but you'll have trouble getting one, unless you're willing to pay a lot more than $2,000 for it. On our tests, the RTX 5090 was fully capable of playing games at 4K with ultra settings and ray tracing enabled. On our 6-game test, it averaged 90.2 frames per second, a full 20 frames per second more than its predecessor, the RTX 4090. Our CPU is AMD's Ryzen 7 9800X 3D, which offers faster gaming than any Intel CPU on the market, including the Core i9-14900K. It has a whopping 140 megabytes of cache, thanks to AMD's innovative 3D V-Cache, and it boasts 16 full power cores and 32 threads, which is more regular cores than the 13900K's set of 8, to go with 16E cores. On our tests, the Ryzen 9 9800X 3D beat Intel's flagship, the 14900K, by a full 50 frames per second on our 1080p suite of gaming tests. The last-gen Ryzen 7 7800X 3D is also really good at gaming but doesn't hit these highs. We're using a Gigabyte X870E Aorus Pro Ice AM5 motherboard, which comes with built-in Wi-Fi 7, 4M.2 slots for storage and USB 4. To cool the CPU, we're using a Cooler Master Liquid PL360 Flux, which is very affordable at $129 and will do a solid job. Because we're fattening our budget for this build, we're going with some speedy DRAM in the form of G.Skill's Trident Z5 RGB DDR5, which operates at up to 6,400 MHz. In our review of the G.Skill Trident Z5, we lauded the kit's strong performance and excellent overclockability. In our table, we are linking to a 64 GB kit, 2x32 GB DIMMs, as that is the highest capacity it is sold in. We're going with a 4 TB Samsung 990 Pro, which has plenty of capacity and is the fastest PCIe 4.0 drive you can buy. Sure, we can go up to a PCIe 5.0 drive, but we don't see enough performance gains to justify one, even in this high-end build right now. Anyway, this was after some advice. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel so we can reach 1,000 subscribers. This is our dream for the year. Thank you for following.